And I'm Devin Fehely in San Jose, in Santa Clara County, where the county has experienced some serious setbacks and it's planned to reopen segments of its economy. The state pulled the plug on plans to reopen salons and barbershops and gyms because the hospitalization rate was going up too quickly. Now, the state uses hospitalizations, basically a measure of people who've gotten sick and sick enough to need to be in the hospital, as a measure of how well or how poorly a county is handling the outbreak. Now, specifically, the state is looking at how quickly those hospital numbers are growing. The state wants to keep that number under 5% as an average. The hospitalization rate here in Santa Clara County jumped 11% at the end of June, but county officials say those numbers don't tell the full story.
The county of Santa Clara, in many respects, is actually the victim of its own success, because our numbers were so low in terms of hospitalizations that any increase, even if the increase was not as big relative to other counties, any increase could actually end up having the county have more than a 5% increase.
Now, the county says that a better statistic would be the number of hospital beds that are currently available. The county says that they have done a good job of flattening the proverbial curve, and they have more than enough capacity in their hospital system.
So, Devin, if I understand this right, the state sent alcohol beverage control warning restaurants with the outdoor dining. They were out of compliance. What's the county's response been to that?
Yeah, that happened this weekend. Those state agents went to several restaurants in Gilroy and Morgan Hill and told them that they needed to shut down their outdoor dining because it wasn't in compliance. Now, the county opened outdoor dining on June 5th. They didn't ask for the state's permission because, quite frankly, they say they didn't think that they needed it. They say that the state's health order banned indoor dining, didn't mention outdoor dining, and so therefore the county didn't ask their permission. They've been locked kind of in a back and forth debate over who's right for the last several days, and caught in the middle are businesses and the public.
Absolutely.
In San Jose, Devin Fehely, KPIX 5.
All right, Devin, appreciate it. Thanks so much.